Overall, right now, we are seeing a system move across the plains right now, and we could see some flurries or light snow from that system. Where there is also a winter storm in the southeast that is dumping snow on the Carolinas and in Georgia, and part of that system is affecting Florida, and parts of South Florida could even maybe see their only third ever recorded snowfall as we go into this evening. But right here in northeastern Kansas, that snow and those flurries are moving from the west to the east. So is the cloud cover. It is pretty cloudy right now. We are in the teens in the 20s overall, 19 in Topeka, 19 in Emporia, 16 in Manhattan, and 15 out in Concordia. So we could see that possibility for seeing some of those flurries and snow, but that snow will have to overcome some drier air near the surface that we have right now as we start to warm up on the back end of that cold trough that is pushing to the south through the area. As you can see currently from our Midland exterior sky cam in downtown Emporia, still some snow on the ground from last week's winter storm. Lots of cars out on the street. That's always a good sight to see. Same story from Noto right now. Wind chills are currently in the single digits and into the teens. Besides in Concordia, where we are in the negatives right now. It is chilly. You'll want to grab that jacket, some gloves, and a hat if you're going out to keep yourself warm. Current wind speeds are currently between around 5 and around 20 miles per hour, while our current wind gusts are between around 5 and around 15 miles per hour as well. Those wind gusts will pick up as we go into tomorrow overall before calming down again, coming out of the west, then turning from around the northeast as we go into Monday evening. 24-hour temperatures going through the teens, then spiking up and through the 20s and 30s into the 40s by tomorrow afternoon. A welcome sight after a very cold period over the past week to week and a half. 24-hour wind chills overall following that same trend from the teens into the single digits, then through the teens again into the 20s and 30s, and then spiking just shy of the 40-degree mark. Tonight's forecast overall, we will be in the teens, and we have that chance for some light snow or flurries. Tomorrow's forecast overall, 40s and 50s with mostly clear skies. Supercast showing that the light snow moving through as we go throughout this evening into the overnight hours. Again, not all of it will make it to the ground because we do have some dry air near the surface, but it is something to watch out for where some snow actually makes it to the surface because it could cause some slicker roads if you're commuting late into this evening in overnight hours. Overall, seeing some cloud cover develop at the end of the day, but overall mostly clear tomorrow. We do catch a chance for maybe a couple flurries on Tuesday night into Wednesday. The chances are dropping on that, but I wanted to highlight that in case models reverse their course. February begins tomorrow, and we're on a warming trend at least through the first week and through Groundhog Day on Monday.